안녕하세요 my 친구. Hello my friends. murakomeye meze neza mwese aho muherereye. This is Burundian mom in Korea. Nari ngarutse kandi kugira ngo ndabapartage. I want to share with you amazing time we had this weekend as Burundian living in Korea, especially from Busan, Gimhae, Ulsan, Kimcheon. So narabakoreye aka vlog. Let's share those moments with you. So on Friday twaciye tugenda, we went grocery shopping. First we went to a traditional Korean market. We bought some veggies, meats. Kandi rero ngaha muri traditional market it's really good ku muntu ashaka kugura imboga, vegetables, ushaka kuhasanga n'ibindi bintu byinshi kubera ko haba hari aba foreigners benshi, donc ushaka kuhasanga ibintu tutamenyereye ngaha muri Korea, igitoki, mangoes, donc ikintu cyose tutamenyereye ngaha muri Korea cyane cyane ku byerekeye ama veggies. Nukuri muri traditional market birahari. Twaraguze rero n'inyama, hanyuma duhejeje turagenda muri supermarket, donc twagiye muri Top Mart nayo ni nziza ngaha muri Korea ku bantu bakunda ivyamwa. Yego muri Top Mart hariho ivyamwa bimeze neza biryoshe kandi usanga babiri price iri affordable, imeze neza cyane. Donc muri Top Mart twaguze ibintu byinshi vraiment. Twaguze ama snacks, twaguze amata, twaguze ama juice, twaraguze ibintu byinshi by'abana kubera ko twari dufise n'abana. Donc Top Mart was ibintu byinshi cyane byagura muri Top Mart. So we shopped, hama turaheza turapakinga kubera ko twari dufite ibintu byinshi kandi amasaha yariko aratujana. Big thanks ku cameraman wanje, thank you for your hard work. Then in the evening twaciye twitegura kwanza turabanza turatwara ibyo twasumye kubera amasaha yariko aragenda. Twari abantu benshi entre temps muri iyo pension, muzoyibona twari abantu benshi, twari 29 personnes ushizemo n'abana, donc twari benshi avyumva. So ama shopping yarabaye menshi kandi yabaye amaparti atandukanye, mugabo yari experience nziza cyane. Twararyohewe, twagiye gusoma ama stories ntitweze tumenye ukuntu umunsi waheze. Then in the evening we went to Costco rero nayo iri good for umuntu ashaka gusoma ibintu byinshi. Yego, donc muri Costco we went there for meat. Ko twarakoze barbecue, then we went for meat. Hariho inyama ziba zipakinze ari nyinshi, inyama ari nyinshi, igiciro kirasanzwe n'ibisanzwe mugabo muri Korea, mugabo quality na abari sawa kandi abari nyinshi rwose. Hanyuma twaguze mixer, ikindi kintu twaguze muri Costco ni imikate muri Costco iraryoshe, abantu barayikunda. Twaguze muri Costco na drinks. Hanyuma rero turagenda home. Hi my people, uno munsi ibintu ni shona turagiye muri ya pension. Turagiye muri cya kirori cyacu rero. Now ndabatware kugira kano ka vlog, tujyane mwese mube ready, get ready. Here comes the big day. On Saturday we all headed to the pension for delicious meals, swimming, games, stories, laughter. So it was magic. It was incredible. It was the very first time we all met without, without worrying at what time everyone is going home. So we slept there together. It was magical, incredible. Wumva udahari nyene sinukunda gusigurira, byari biryoshye cyane. Donc check in yari 15h. Baranyarukije cyane, aho nako ndabagira gatuwa murabe ingene hari hameze. The view was, yari ikindi kintu. Hanyuma tukaba tuzi ngo twenyine basha kuba yari muri September, but you can see parking nari imeze, hari abantu benshi cyane. Ni ukuvuga yuko ayo mazu yose ngaho yari yafashwe uwo munsi. Hari swimming pool, twaroze turasubira turoga, twarateye inkuru vraiment idasanzwe. Aho niko abo muri Urusani bagenda bashika, aho niko abari bavuye Ginicani bagenda barashika. Hanyuma you can see the view my people. Ni kuri murabi iyo view, hariya hepfo hose hari amazu kandi hariya hepfo hose hari abantu. Urumva yari ahantu mu misozi, nta ruja n'uruza rwari ruhari. Donc washitse ngaho deja kugira ubone na GS hafi byari ibindi bintu. Mugabo twari twagiye twiteguye, twatwaye ibindi bintu byose. You can see the view mw'ijoro yari vraiment harasa neza cyane. Murabona ukuntu hari hasa. Then pictures again, turasubira turabona ama pictures. Evening time rero yari ije around 7 p.m. Twaratanguye gushaka umuriro, abapapa bose mwafashe time yanyu yo kosa. Thank you so much. They took turn barotsa, abamama bari indani bariko barategura ama side dishes. Abantu bose ngaho ko barakora, nta muntu umwe yari yicaye. Bariko barakora, turya tunwa, dutamba, duteriguru, twifotoza, capturing, memories. Byari ibintu biryoshye cyane. Thank you. Then in the evening, on that very day, on Saturday, we had a very special moment for Coco because it was her birthday. Once again, Coco, happy birthday. Thank you for working hard on that day. We love you. We are grateful to have you here. So there's no party without Burundians. Mommy increased sambusa. I made those sambusa on that very day in the evening. So if you are in Korea and you want Burundians mom in Korea sambusas, please let me know. Ahuri hose zizogushikira. So this is morning, Sunday morning. Thankfully, everybody woke up on time. So we had a light breakfast, some tea, bread, and leftovers. Sambusa, kumbura, and we had milk among us. So he gave us a speech, our president. Then we went home. Thank you everybody for showing up. People from Busan, Kimhae, Ulsan, Kimcheon, thank you so much. We went home with sad faces, but our hearts were full of, laughter and strength for the, harsh weather ahead. So big thanks to my friends. Thank you for everything you did kugira ngo iyi event igende neza. Our moms na bose bari ngaha, thank you so much for showing up. Hanyuma our moms bose bo muri Korea, namwe big up to you. I know your hard work, abantu b'agaciro cyane. Imana ibahezagire rwose. Abana nabo bari ngaha bararyohewe cyane. Nifuje ko nkipinga privacy yabo. Nabo nyine bararyohewe cyane, kandi niyo purpose yacu dufise kugira ngo abana bamenyane kandi baronka akanya kisanzuye nabo nyene ko gukina atamasaha bariko baraharura. hanyuma rero ivideo yacu ihereye ngaha anye, mwakoze mwebwe mwafashe akanya ko kuyiraba. Thank you, see you, bye.